Good morning, everybody. I, Professor Basavaraj Vasant Koluche, would be discussing today about your subject Elements of Cost and Market Analysis. This is video number 2. In this video number 2, we will be discussing the meaning and definition of managerial economics. Now, in simple terms, you all might have studied the meaning of managerial economics at various point of time. But today we will see what exactly managerial economics means. So before going to that, we will understand the simple meaning of economics. Economics has been defined by various authors, but here we will try to understand the simple meaning of economics, wherein economics means that branch of knowledge concerned with the production, consumption and transfer of wealth. Various times we have seen that the people who are continuously engaged themselves in production, consumption and transfer of wealth, they are engaged in either of these activities. So therefore, everyone in this world is involved in any or the other way in economic activities. Therefore, economics is the branch of knowledge concerned with production, consumption and transfer of wealth. Now, another meaning of economics is a social science concerned with the production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. It studies how individual, business, government and nations make choice about how to allocate resources. If you just see, we are involved continuously in use of one or the other service in our life. So here economics is a social science concerned with the production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. It studies how individuals, that is business, individuals, government and national, that are a government or business, how they make choice of allocation of resources and they allocate these resources for utilization. So therefore, now we will move with meaning of managerial economics. Managerial economics deals with the application of economic concepts, theories, tools and methodologies to solve practical problems. In a business, we usually have every now and then there are various problems. At that point of time, managerial economics is a science or arts which uses the economic concepts and tools, theories, methodologies to solve the practical business problems which we face in our day-to-day life, without which it becomes difficult to solve the day-to-day routine problems what we face in our business. So therefore, managerial economics is a application of the economic concepts, theories, tools and methodologies to solve business problems in a practical way. In other words, managerial economics is the combination of economic theories and managerial theories. It helps the manager in decision making and act as a link between practice and theory. We use many theories and all, but here managerial economics helps in using these theories in a practical way to solve the business problems. Therefore, managerial economics is a link or a bridge between the theories and practice. So therefore, in simple terms, we can see that managerial economics is nothing but it is application of economic theories, tools, concepts and methodologies to solve the business problem in our day-to-day life. Now we will begin with the definition of managerial economics. According to Mansfield, managerial economics provides a link between economic theory and decision science in the analysis of managerial decision making. Now Mansfield, what he is trying to say is, he is trying to say that managerial economics provides a link between the theory and decision science in the analysis of managerial or managerial decision making. It provides a link. Managerial economics provides a link to use a proper channel through which the economic theories and concepts are used in our day-to-day decision making. After that, Brigham and Poppas have defined as economics believed that managerial economics is the application of economic theory and methodology to business administration practice. So here they have also discussed here about the same way. After that, we have understood the definition given by MC Nair and Mariam. What they say is business economics deals with the use of economic modes of thoughts to analyze business situation. Now, here they are trying to give a definition which says that it tries to analyze the business situation, and according to which the business solutions are found through use of economic theories, concepts and economic methodologies. After seeing these three definitions, three things we can find out, that is explanation of nature and form of economic analysis, it is economic analysis. Then identification of the business area where economic analysis can be applied, where the economic analysis can be applied we can find out. And after that, here it is just a spell out the relationship between managerial economics and other discipline outlines the methodologies of managerial economics. It gives a relationship between the various things. Now we will move on for the decision making process, how decision making process happens in managerial economics. In previous class also I had repeated the meaning and definition. Here again I am repeating because it is very much important. 2 marks question may be there for your examination, based upon what you all can answer. Now here the business decision making process is of two way. One is economic and another is science. Now in economics, the theories of micro and macroeconomics are used. They are processed and then moved ahead. Now here again in decision science, we have the optimization techniques, differential calculus, statistical estimations, linear programming, game theory, etc. etc. All these things we use, and both way we come to managerial economics, wherein economics there are micro and macroeconomics theories. In science we use our various calculations, statistics, etc. etc. to solve the business problem. Both together it comes to managerial economics, where we use the economic theories and techniques of decision science to solve business problems or to solve the business decision problems. Many a times we feel difficult to take decisions at various levels. At that point of time, here managerial economics use both the things and come to the point wherein optimal solution of business decision problems is found out. Because here we use both the things, the economic concepts as well as decision making science, wherein the linear programming, calculus, etc. etc. all those things we use to solve the business problem in optimal situation way. So therefore here in managerial economics in decision making, we use both the things, calculations of science, theories of economics, put together we make it as managerial economics, which gives us the optimal solution to business decision of problems. Now we will move on to characteristics of managerial economics. Now when we say characteristics of managerial economics, the first characteristic of managerial economics is microeconomic in nature. Now micro means small economic part and macro means a big economic part or big part of the economy. Now here the managerial economics is microeconomic in nature because it gives solution for the business, not as the whole as a industry. Therefore managerial economics is a microeconomic character. It gives a linkage between the business and its problems or solutions for those businesses. After that, we have choice and allocation. Now here in business, we have to take various decisions at various level. Here, managerial economics helps us in choosing and allocation of resources, allocation of ideas, and choosing in decision making. While making the decision, we have to select the best course of action which is successfully implemented in the business. Therefore, the second characteristic of managerial economics is choice and allocation. It chooses the best decision and allocates according to that the resources, the manpower, etc. etc. After that, we have goal oriented. Now, managerial economics is always goal oriented because it has a main aim of solving the business problems. Here, to solve these business problems, the theories, the concepts, and the statistical part is used to solve the business problems at various levels. After that, the fourth characteristic of managerial economics is conceptual and metrical, wherein the managerial economics is conceptual. It uses the concepts, it uses the theories, it uses the various basic concepts while making the decision. And in simple, decision means what? Selecting the best course of action. Here, managerial economics helps us to select the best course of action which will impact our business in a successful way. Therefore, managerial economics has many such characteristics. For now, we will stop here. In tomorrow's class, we will see the rest other characteristics of managerial economics. Along with that, we will see the next part of managerial economics and other economics or other sciences. So for now, we will stop here. Thank you. Good day.